In this video, we are going to see how we can format the dataset. So right now we have this chart applied that whenever we want to cancel any chart or move back to the text table, what we can do on our right, we can see the show me tab. If you don't see it, you can just click on show me and it will show you this awesome charts option that you can easily switch to any chart. Now, let's say that we want to move it back to the text table. Let's click here. And after that, we see this database set, but it looks very flat. And let's say that we want to format it. It's very simple to do. Just you have to select any of the field. Let's say this one, and just right click here, click on format, and this will format all the numbers. On our left, as soon as you right click and click on format, on our left, you can see the format font options. So let's say that for the pane, we want to make it blue and we want to make it bold. As soon as you close this, it will be applied, but let's just open again, right click format. And if you want to completely change the worksheet format, let's say to blue and bold, you will notice that all of the fields and dataset turned blue. So you can do that as well. But let's say that we are only interested in the header rows and we want to make it, let's say green. So all the header rows turned green. Similarly, the column header, which is salesperson, let's make it brown. Now it shows like this. Now for the totals, if you want to turn it into any other color, or let's say for other fields as well, what you can do is just right click, and when you click on format, you either see these options, but this is the overall control. What you can also do is, let's say I quickly want to change this color to red. Let's go to the colors, click on more colors, and let's select any color like this one, red, click OK, and then just click on any corner. And you will notice all of the colors change to red. And also let's say we click on the format options. We see this default. Let's make the default font as black and we give a little bit of shading to any color. So you will notice that we can give different shades to the main header. Let's say this looks nice, but for the column formatting, let's make it black. Let's make this black. If the color is not switching easily, what you can do is just try another color. And when it changes, you can change it again to black. And let's increase the size a little bit. If you don't see the data, you can just increase the column size just by holding it from the center. When you see this sign that shows the arrow key on both sides horizontally, that means you can hold it and increase the size of it. Let's increase the size so that we can properly see the headings. And let's change these ones to black again. Go to color, turn black. And now it looks much better. You can change the row headers as well. If you like to, you can change the header colors to, let's say, blue. And this is how you can use that. If you want to increase the size of the table overall font size, you can do it from the marks and increase the size here. For the text alignments, you can just go to the text and you can change it to vertical, horizontal, and any kind of directions you want that to be in. Just play around with all the formatting options because that's pretty basic. Just try changing colors, try changing different options, and you will automatically see in real time what changes do we get in the database. So this is how the basic formatting works in Tableau. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.